Welcome back to another episode of Cooking Your Way Through Life with me, Chef Drake. And today, I actually wanted to discuss something that I do get questions about as well, and is what do you pack? And I know I don't pack traditional things that other chefs pack because one, I'm a chef and I'm doing things, but I'm also going on a cruise ship for contracts and I'm teaching. So one big thing is I usually have to pack for multiple seasons depending on how my contract is going. So this next contract, I will be in mostly warm weather the entire time. So I only have to pack like only warm weather clothing, but that's not always the case. So I want to go through a couple things I packed that maybe other chefs don't pack. This bag is busting at the seams, but I'm gonna fix that, don't worry. So in this bag right now, I have, of course, loads and loads of clothes. Actually, all these are uniforms. You don't need to see those. But then I have like other clothes. Believe it or not, I actually use the air compression bags. It helps a little bit, but I pack a lot of things. Of course, I do take my knife kit. So you'll see this everywhere with me around the world. And it's because I also am working. So I work on the ships, I teach culinary classes, but like when I land places, I'm also cooking and doing things. So I keep my knives with me everywhere I go. Some shoes, of course, never know. I always need a couple different pairs of shoes. Chocolate frog from Harry Potter. Always need a chocolate frog. Like, who doesn't need one? Of course, I need a coat because even though I said I'm not going to cold climates, you just never know. Always be prepared so you don't have to worry about it later. All right, so this one, I move over to the side here. And my backpack, which is what I actually usually keep with me all the time, I have my really big necessities. Of course, I have my laptop. So this is my baby. It's my left hand from right hand. I have my iPad, which is also a backup baby. I use it all the time too. In here, we have more necessities. Now, I have my microphone on because I keep my microphone with me. And what you can't see is that I also have my tripod, which I'm talking to you on, but I also have backup microphones because guess what? If I'm at sea and my microphone goes down or something happens, I can't just run out to the nearest store or it's Amazon to get it. So I always have a backup here. I also keep my other microphone because I might need to do a podcast or something else that's different from these microphones. You just never freaking know, okay? Rain jacket, because as I talked about this coat over here, rain jackets are actually great. Even if you're in hot climates, you've been to the Caribbean, it's always like a little rain shower or something going on. This rain jacket is really, really nice because it's really nice to go right inside everywhere. Also, I'm on ships, so usually the plugs are not always American. I'm in different places around the world, so I keep a couple different outlets that go into different plugs. So I always keep some of those. Let's see, got my Ray-Bans in here, sunglasses, transitional, and also I can do a little content here and there. And my Switch too, because it's not all work and no play. I like to play my Switch too. And yeah, got to keep that with me. Then it's about everything. So, couple different things I pack that maybe not all traditional chefs pack, but I'm not a traditional chef. I don't have a traditional lifestyle. So if you see me around the world and you're wondering what I pack, it's just a little overview. It's only 2 of my bags. I got 2 more, so lots of things. We'll talk to you later. I'll see you next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do all the things. Hope you have a good day. Peace.
Thank you for watching today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it and maybe even learned something. You know what to do next. Please hit those like, share, and subscribe buttons below and have a great day.